Mourners buried the body of a 17-year-old boy who was found suffocated in the mud after Cyclone Idai hit this part of eastern Zimbabwe on March 16. He was with his grandfather, who was also killed when their house collapsed on them while asleep. Now the family has nothing left. It is all gone.
After we could not find father in the collapsed house, we went down to the stream looking for him. We then found his body in this mud, but not my nephew, so we are digging for him.
Late Friday, the body was found here, but the issue of hunger and shelter remains. The Dube Magoso family, about 500 meters away, is dealing with the same issue. Their 83-year-old father was suffocated when their house collapsed last week during the storm. The mother escaped with several injuries. Their son, Musavengana Dube Magoso, says they want and need government help.
The government must look for a better place to resettle us so that we can get some income to ensure the remaining get some source of livelihood. So far we have no food. All we have planted to get food was washed away by the rains. We have been reduced to zero here in Chimanimani.
Zimbabwe's government has released $17 million for relief aid aiming to ease the effects of Cyclone Idai. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has declared Saturday and Sunday as days of mourning for those who perished in the storm. Columbus Mavunga for VOA News, Chimanimani, Zimbabwe.